Hello, everybody. So, my tip of the day is going to be on something that is for the older. No, it's actually for anyone. So, if you are going to move into having a physical relationship with someone, and you are younger, older, I believe those of us that are older already know, but for those of you that are younger, be responsible. So be responsible with your decisions. The desire that your parents have for you and that most of us adults have for you is that you will wait until you are of adequate age and a legal adult before you move forward in a physical way. That just, however, is not the case all the time. Hence, us having what is that? Teen moms now, teen mom two, teen mom after teen mom times two, teen mom squared. It's out there. So we apparently need to discuss it more and make it more forward facing and very comfortable. So if you need to talk to someone, my suggestion would be that you talk to your parents first. If you don't feel like you're in a position where you can talk to your parents first, then you can talk to your doctor. So, with things that are like this, if you go to see your primary care physician and you are having a visit, there are instances where you are allowed to have private time with your doctor, and you can ask for that. And you can also go online and find information. I would not suggest that you utilize online because there's too much out there that you all don't know how to filter between websites that are made that are by people that have no accreditation and then those that can actually make those resources available to you. You all don't know how to pull those out. And so I'll leave a link. I'll leave a link in this video so that it will go back to what is a good place to look for. But there are things that you need to discuss. You need to discuss protection. You need to discuss and know about different diseases. You need to know about emotional attachment. It's I don't agree with it. I cannot talk down on it because I did not wait until I was married, and I told you all I would never lie to you and never be somebody that I'm not. So I'm addressing this as your TT. If you were my niece or nephew, I would tell you that I want you to protect yourself. I would tell you that I want you to make good choices. As best as you can at your age, which is all that any of us can do. I would tell you that my preference would be that you talk to your parents first, an aunt, uncle, a grandma, somebody really close to you that is going to tell you what you need to hear. I would suggest that you, in the process of that, learn about different diseases as well, because this world is not a joke. AIDS is very real. All the diseases are very real, and your protection is what matters most. So people think, oh, well, as long as I don't get pregnant, it's no big deal. Quite honestly, that's not something that should happen either, and that you should aspire to do young when you can't afford it. You're not mentally prepared or anything like that. But the biggest, that's something that turns into a blessing. Like if you get something, that's not a joke. That is real life, and that is something that can hurt you for the rest of your life. And so deciding to move forward in those type of relationships is bigger than just sex. It is much bigger than just sex. There's so much that goes along with that, emotional attachment, all of those things. But in a world where it has become, I don't know if it's more now or if it was more then, to be quite honest. We just have social media and statistics now. So I won't even put that on our generation or any generation. I will just say it is something that should be addressed, something that needs to be addressed, something that we are capable of addressing. And if are all of these shows out there and all of this information out there, we have to counteract that information and make it more comfortable where you're not going to watch something that is made for entertainment. This is not entertainment. This is real life. These are things that you need to know. These are conversations we need to have. And that is everyone. As an adult, there are some things I had to look up because you just don't know everything. But it's a big deal, and it's something that I plan on talking about throughout this program because it's necessary. So I will always put parental captions there, but this is what we talk about on QueenTiti Loves page. It's real, it's direct, it's what they're going through. So that is it for my tip for the day, and have a great day. Goodbye.